Tanushree, and I'm one of the Q experts at Q Marketplace. Welcome to the Q Insight session. We are actually working on really cool features for our Q dashboard where you as a small business owner get an overall overview of how your business is performing and so much more. We offer an online marketplace for small businesses to basically discover, purchase, and manage their software solutions all in one place. Now that you have made an investment or you're planning to invest in a CRM software, you must be wondering where to get started. Now, before we talk about the CRM solution that we are going to have a tutorial on, let's talk about what CRM really is. So, CRM basically stands for Client Relationship Management, and it's a system that you as a business owner or a business salesperson can use to streamline the process of interacting with your clients. Now, in most cases, CRM systems are used for automating the processes, such as a request for callback or a sign up for a free trial or a free demo. Now, this initiates the automated process where user will receive the welcome messages from your CRM tool. They can receive also different kind of other messages, or your system may send even notifications to the salesperson identifying that there is a lead. The point is, whatever you think of your interaction with your clients that can be automated with CRM, it can be done. They're also really good for interacting with new prospects and re-engaging with your existing clients from the past. Now, before CRM arrived, sales teams or the business owners would have the information of different prospects, generally in different formats such as CSV or just good old pen and paper. But with even like email box, some in calendar, but the good thing about CRM is that all the information can be centralized about a sale or a lead in one single place. Today we are going to discuss about BaseCRM. Now, BaseCRM is an affordable CRM used by a lot of small businesses. It has a pricing plan per user login, and it can be paid either annually or monthly. Before we get started, let's discuss how you can identify or log in to CRM using Q Marketplace. Before I show you how we sign up on Q Marketplace, just wanted to quickly mention about deal time, about our deal or pricing discount that we are running on BaseCRM. So make sure you watch till the end of the video to get the coupon code and have a really good discount, a lifetime discount for your BaseCRM. So this is the Q Marketplace homepage. Here's Susie, our Q mascot, helping us out. Let's visit the marketplace in order to sign up for a free trial with BaseCRM. So this is the marketplace page. You can either browse for CRM over here, or you can directly search up in the search bar for CRM. I am just going to make a quick search for BaseCRM. Here it is. So it just gives you information about what the monthly price is per user. It's been rated 4.2. That's our Q score. And this page, this is the product page, which gives information about what BaseCRM is, what are the key features, pricing, what kind of business size does it support, and also what are the features for each pricing plan that is offered by BaseCRM. Also, make sure to look into the integrations, because BaseCRM should be very integrated with your email marketing, even accounting information once the deal closes. So let's sign up. For example, let's sign up for the starter package, since that's the most recommended one. Once you click on select over there, you are automatically taken to the sign up page where you can enter your company information, industry, company address, city, zip code, just all the other information. Along with BaseCRM, you will receive a free Q dashboard where you can just quick launch your software from there, or even look into different marketing insights and other financial dashboard tools. Over here on the left, as you can see, is I have a coupon, At the end of this video, I will make sure to mention the coupon code, which will give you a 20% lifetime discount for your BaseCRM software. So once all this information is filled up, our team will then send you an email with all the credentials and a knowledge base and how you can get started. And we can also get you started on a demo so that you have a much better understanding of what BaseCRM is and how you can customize it to your business needs. So this is a sample account that I prepared for you today, and we'll be working through this account. This is a brand new account that I just started. The first thing once you log in is you will see the dashboard. And before you even get started, understand what your sales process looks like. Just sit down with your team or just write down manually what your sales process looks like and what are the main stages or conversion points for your business and what does it look like. BaseCRM also provides a basic sales pipeline. Let's look into the sales pipeline over here. This is the dashboard. It's the leads, contact, and this is deals, where we will actually see where we'll have the actual sales pipeline. Right now you can just see a sample deal in here. Along the top you can see the different stages of sales pipeline: incoming, qualified, quote, closure, closed. Whereas for closed we have won, unqualified, and lost depending on how the deal goes. Now this helps in giving a good sample, and it's great if you're just getting started. You will see the real power of this particular tool once you have customized the sales process to actually meet your business's needs. Now, so the question is, as I had mentioned before, is what does your sales process look like? For example, let's take an example of a real estate relator who deals with different clients all the time. Now, it might be something like that person has an open house first. That is where all the incoming traffic would come in. From there they would receive some offers or leads, where that would be the next sales pipeline qualified tab, and then they get some contracts. That's the closure tab. And finally, some of the leads don't fall through. They are either lost or unqualified, so one would say. And that's the kind of example a real estate agent would have, but this is very generalized, where it can be applicable to anybody right now. So in order to make it customized, what's the process? So it's pretty straightforward, where you see the initials icon on the top right of the page. Just click on that, the setting page, and click on the gear so that we come on settings page. Over here you can manage the entire account and make changes to different sections of your CRM. So what we are interested in is the deals tab over here. Okay, as you can see, you can manage everything over here. You see deals resources, custom field, loss reasons, unqualified reasons, tags, smart links, forecasting. And what next we will walk through is pipelines. So pipeline is the actual stage where we had seen before, where it talks about incoming, qualified, quote, closure. Now for a real estate example, incoming wouldn't be an apt word suitable. It can be discover. So let's type discover over here and click save. For the next pipeline, rather than qualified, or for the real estate example, it would be more apt to have an in-person meeting. So let's make those changes. In-person meeting. and hit save. The quote and closure would kind of stay applicable for this scenario as well. Also, you'll notice different percentages, 5%, 10%. So for professional plan, BaseCRM offers sales forecasting, and that's where these percentages are considered. So as you learn more about how your deals are or what's the likelihood of a deal winning from discover to the next stage of in-person meeting, you'll get a better idea of that. So as you can see, we have customized the pipeline with sales process for a relator, and it's something manageable that can be tracked. Now let's look at the deals section over here on the left. Now deal sources specifically mention of where the user or the potential lead has come from. If one of the deal can be let's say from a colleague, that can be included in word of mouth, but if it's specific enough, we can just add it as a colleague. For loss reasons, there are different number of reasons where you can lose a particular deal. It can be because of loss of the competition, poor follow-up, you're just too expensive, product service gap, timing gap. You can also add your own reason. Let's say it doesn't fit budget. Budget requirements. So we can be as specific as possible as per your business needs overall. Now let's see how our pipeline process actually looks like. We'll go back to the deals section of the page. And as you can see, these new stages that we just created are already in here. Now that we are done with step 1 of creating sales process to meet business needs, we can look into how we can import your existing contacts that you have, maybe from your existing CRM that you're not happy with and you want to switch, or it can be a simple CSV file as well. Now make sure to make it as customized as possible to your business, because once you enter more and more information, you will be able to get much better reporting and understanding of where deals are falling off. Now that the sales process has been defined, let's look into how we can import data into this account. Now you might be having an existing CRM, or you would be storing your contact list on CSV file, Excel sheet, Google Docs. You can do all of that and import it into BaseCRM. In order to do that, let's click on the initials again and go to settings, because that's where we can do all of the management of this account. On the left below notifications over here, you will see import. So these are the different types of formats that BaseCRM currently is compatible with, CSV being the most common type. Whereas if you have existing CRM such as Insightly, Nimble CRM, Zoho CRM, and you're just switching to BaseCRM, you can simply export the data from existing CRM and get it into BaseCRM. One of the most common question that is asked is, what is the best way to format information before importing? And generally we can start with first name and last name followed by the rest of the corresponding information. It's just easier to understand what data is aligned with which contact information. So I have a sample data CSV file. Let's see, this is the import user. So this is the CSV file where, as I mentioned, it starts with username, first name, last name. You can also have username since it's more of a primary key and is unique data. and rest of the corresponding information as job title, office number, mobile phone, address, and other such details. Now let's upload this particular file to our BaseCRM account. So I'll click here on CSV. Let's select the file. Here it is. And BaseCRM also asks a very important question, what you are importing, whether it's lead, contacts, deals, and contacts. Now, the difference between leads and contacts would be leads is someone who is very much interested in the service you're offering, and contact is someone you just meet on the bus stop or at Starbucks and just strike up a conversation about your business and exchange business cards that might be useful in future. So let's, for the namesake, let's play with leads. As you can see, Base is now analyzing the information. It's going to take a look into that file and begin to process it, and next it will match it up against those columns with the fields. Now before this, asking very important question whether I want to update the existing leads with this new file. If the data is currently in Base does not match with that file, then just update only the empty Base field with the data from the import file. The last one is very important. If a lead in the import file already exists, so if you have duplicate data from your Google Docs, CSV, Excel sheet, Insightly, other CRMs, we want to make sure that we don't want to import those fields so that there is no duplicate or redundant data. We'll click next over here. So as you can see, it has already identified that 5 leads were found. And now first name, last name, some of the stuff has already been identified by BaseCRM. Others is something that we might have to look into. For example, username. Can something be just owner or split to first name and username? Let's see. Let's do that. Or we can just keep it as email right now, since that's an email. And once it's been done, it will just highlight to a different color. With first name, quite happy with it. Last name, this is just a display name where you can just use as a description. It's redundant. We can just delete it later on. Job title, department or industry type. It is not available. Oh, here it is, industry. And it will just add information technology as industry and other Base lead industry that Base has identified. Next is office number, so it's just phone number, work phone. This is work phone again, but it can be a mobile number. Or here we already have a mobile number, so we'll just edit it to a custom where it's actually a number. In order to create a custom field, we'll just create one over here, custom. We'll add a new field over here and just say work phone. And the type of data that we have, it's actually a number. Other by default, we'll just keep it as is. We don't want it to be filterable since it's not, no one is going to filter information based on phone number. And click on save changes. We have work phone. Over here it is given 2 options, whether it's a mobile or a work phone. Let's go with mobile, fax, address, city, it's region, this is country, zip code, region. Once you have gone through all of the data points or columns and aligned it properly with the custom name that you would be using, you can just hit on show summary just to review all of the import selections and hit import. So it's processing, and once BaseCRM processes it, you will get a message that import has been complete. Now if you click on the leads page over here, because that's what we had selected, there you go. Congrats on successfully creating your sales pipeline and importing all your leads over here. And that's it. As you can see clearly, BaseCRM is specifically designed for salespeople. It provides small business with an all-in-one platform where you can perform tasks such as sales tracking, contact management, and task management. It is definitely worth checking out. I hope you found this video extremely useful in setting up a sales process in BaseCRM. If you want to see any more additional features about BaseCRM or any other video, make sure to comment below. And finally, the coupon code has been in the link in the text box below over here, where you can get 20% lifetime subscription discount for BaseCRM or any other product that you choose right now on Q Marketplace. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. Make sure to like this video to encourage these kind of content on YouTube and subscribe for more.